This is the mechanic short circuit detector. It's just arrived from AliExpress. It's basically used to inject voltage to find short circuit on a motherboard, any PCB boards. It's a very nice little kit. Yeah, so most of the power supplies are not able to inject voltage when there is a short circuit on a PCB. As soon as it detects it, it just cuts off. But this one will not. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so I've just unboxed it. So this is a little kit. Don't know whether to put this little sticker on there. Let's take that off. Okay, it's just to protect. Don't know what that is really. I'll find out what that is. I'm not sure why they put that in there. Just to cover one of them, not both of them. So let's take that off. Okay, so this is the manual there. Take it, it's all in Chinese. No, there's some English there. Yeah, so this is the manual. Okay, so you get a USB lead. Oh, it's a USB-C as well, so it's quite up to date. It's got a USB-C. Okay, so it goes in here. So it does 1.2, 1.8, and 3 volts and 3.8 volts. So you can inject. You also get a probe. So insert the probe in here, and there's an alligator clip for you to ground it. So you can ground it and just probe this, the red one, to inject the voltage into the PCB. Okay, so, and I believe it's also battery operated, is it? Okay, so it does 25 amps. Wow, it's quite a massive amount which most people won't need. Yeah, there's 4 type of voltage: 1.2, 1.8, 3 volts, 3.8 volts. Okay, so I wonder where the battery goes in. Or is it charged? Okay, so you charge it. It's got a battery inside. You charge it with a USB-C, and so it's portable. Yeah, it's portable, so that's a good thing. No plugs needed. Yeah, so I'll show you a demonstration of that in the next video, how to find short a PCB. So look out for this video. Okay, have a good one, bye.